Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jody Paul. If you're new here, feel most welcome. To my returning stone crew, thank you so much. Let's start this vlog with me soaking these cereals that I wanted to boil and keep on this day. I usually soak them and start with the ones which easily cook, like green gram. This is how we still cook our cereals. We are eyeing for an electrical pressure cooker, but God will do his thing when the right time comes. After around 4 hours we were done, and this is how they were, and they were already cool. So I wanted to keep them to preserve them. Yeah, this is how I preserve them in the fridge. I store them in a Ziploc bag and keep them in the fridge. I love the Ziploc bag because it takes small space. My freezer is small, guys, so with the tins they take a lot of space and they carry small amount of cereal. So this is how I love preserving my things in the fridge. On this, I also did the githeri, which I didn't add on this the following day, and now we were sorted for the whole month. This was after that. It was time for family dinner, and I wanted to make some mashed potato, beef stew, and cabbages. Mashed potato has become so much favorite, my son's favorite, and he really enjoy it. And I don't know whether there's a mother who doesn't love when their baby loves something. Me, if my baby love it, I'll make it as many times as he want it, because that's what he enjoys taking. Yeah, guys, so just make dinner, and I think, guys, we meet after dinner. So since last year, I've been singing this song of getting a new coffee table, because the one that I have, hey guys, tell me whether that's a coffee table or that ni meza. So I went for, actually I wanted to purchase, but when I reached there, the person who was walking me around told me that I asked him, you don't have any offers Easter? And he told me, actually Easter offers are coming. And then I said, Jesus, who doesn't love offers? Because he told me it'll be like 30%. What, guys? 30%? That I'll save a lot. So I decided, let me just play cool and say that I was window shopping. So I didn't pick actually on this day. I went just window shopping, and I already identified a coffee table that I want. I'm just waiting for that offer to pop. Once it pops out, I'll be there, pick my coffee table and bring it home, guys. I think it's high time now we do away with that meza. We bring now coffee table home. But guys, these people has got cute chairs, coaches. This one was a light mustard, but guys, the texture, the material, guys. Hey, I also loved this one. He could move it up. I don't know the way he was trying to do it. And yeah, guys, they really have got some good things. So the following day, I had got some laundry that I wanted to do. So I did laundry, and now I was here folding. This is the worst thing in my house. No one like doing this. So they'll do laundry, but just leave them for me there to fold whenever I'm on off duty. So guys, we are back home, and you saw me in the salon when I was doing my hair. I did this simple cornrows, very neat, with some braids. I didn't want to stay much longer in the salon. Yeah, but I love them. I love them. They're so neat. I should have this hair. How do they call them? Baby hairs or what hairs? Those when you put gel, then they lie. Sometimes we usually shave them, but this time I didn't want. I want them to grow so that next time zishikwe vizuri tukimake cornrows ndio grow. Yeah, that's it. So this is for the look. It looks awesome and very affordable, very affordable. Yeah, and then I also did my nails. I went for this coffee brown color. I hope it's coffee brown. I don't know. I wanted nude, but they didn't have, so I went for this. And I love it. I didn't want any art on it. Just wanted it as simple as possible. And I love it. I love it. So guys, I want to make a dinner for the family. So let me go to the kitchen and make something for the family. So if you watch this video until this end, thank you so much for your support. Please remember to like, subscribe, share me out if you can.